Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to show you how to use Taylor Repair to fix hollow spots in engineered hardwood floors. Taylor Repair Kit comes with everything you need except for a drill, something to cut your dowel pin, wood putty, and a hammer to tap the dowel pin in. Ray's going to show you exactly how to do this. As you can see, he's already pre-marked the floor where the hollow spot's at. He's located that, and he's also marked his drill bit with the proper depth so we know exactly how deep to drill the hole. Now he's going to drill 2 holes in this area. The first hole is going to be an injection point. The second hole is a vent to prevent air pressure from building up and causing the adhesive to actually build up or cause back pressure. Once those holes are drilled, he'll fill his syringe using Taylor Repair adhesive. Now he's going to draw it from it. It's a cleaner way. You could pour it into the syringe, but most installers prefer to draw it out. It's going to be less messy, and it's a much easier way to do this. Now you can see he starts to drill in here. Push it slow. You don't want to push it real hard, because if you push it hard, you're just going to create back pressure, even with the vent. And the vent will allow that moisture and air to escape and get you a good fill to prevent any issues from continuing. You can see he's wiping off the excess material. He's going to use his punch to open up that hole just a little bit. He'll use the tapered end. Take the dowel pin, place it into the hole, tap it down tight, snap it off. Repeat on the other hole. He'll take the flat side of his punch just to knock that down flush, and then the tapered end to countersink your dowel pin into the wood. After that's completed, all you really do is take your wood putty and fill in the remaining space of the hole. Now, one little tip, when you drill your holes, you want to find a spot where you've got a little bit of character in the wood to help camouflage the repair. It'll make it easier for you to come back later on. It'll make a happier customer because they won't actually have something where you're going to have a visible issue. Ray's taking a dry cloth just to wipe off any excess material off the face of the wood. And also make certain that your homeowner does not traffic that area until the wood putty is completely dry. So remember, next time you have a hollow spot with engineered hardwood floor that you need to fix, think of Taylor Repair. And remember, at Taylor, we're with you every step.